and welcome back to my channel, Illustrating Failure. If you have been here before, welcome back, and if you are new, my name is Janie, and I am just a new freelance illustrator trying to survive the world of freelancing and also real life. So today I'm trying to be more confident in front of the camera. As you can see here, I'm trying to do these power poses, you know, to gain and instill a confidence in myself as I look into the camera. So pretty much after the first week of putting out my videos and stuff, my friends have been giving me some great suggestions and comments on how nervous I am in front of the camera. You know, they've my boyfriend and some of my friends like, yo Janie, like, could you just like relax? Like, could you just take that stick out of your butt and just, you know, do like what do you do with your hands? Like what is this? Could you just and I'm like, I can see that myself, that I look nervous, but it's really hard because it's easier said than done to try to be a little bit less nervous in front of the camera. It's just that, you know, it's like really nerve-wracking to like stare into this like dark abyss of the camera lens, and the red light that's like shining, that's telling me I'm recording, it makes like everything kind of look like the Terminator is staring at me, which is a little bit terrifying, even though it's supposed to be like really helpful. So today I'm just gonna try different things to be less nervous in front of the camera. Yup. Okay guys, so I'm starting out this journey with the good old-fashioned Google, how to be less nervous in front of a camera. And so Google has some hot tips on how to be less nervous in front of a camera. Take a few deep breaths first. Slow down while talking. Minimize distractions while recording. I feel like the most distracting thing here is myself. Include human moments. I don't know how to be a human. How did you know? You will also have to go now that you know my secret. Don't take yourself too seriously. Yeah, I guess this one is pretty important. You know, sometimes I'm like so focused, I'm like, I need to get information out there that I'm like wound up and stuff, but I need to get prescribed some chill pills. Yeah, I don't need to be a natural, but yeah, choosing an outfit you feel comfortable in and looks put together. Anything tailored, clean, and wrinkle-free is a great start. It's clean. Film as many times as necessary. You know, when I first started, like especially for my first video, I filmed that thing like probably at least 4 to 5 times for the entire thing, and I did film a lot of times, and I still look hecka nervous. So camera shy. 7 tips to get over it. Smile. Hey guys, I've been having a rough day. You know, just life isn't like really hitting me today. Is that better? I don't know. I think reading all of these things are making me nervous. You know, these are good tips. I do write a script for my longer like talking videos, and I do get really tripped up over the script a lot. And I do try to practice, but then as soon as the camera there, it's like everything's gone and it's wiped clean. So I think I need to like make my camera feel like less intimidating and like more inviting, like my friend. Okay guys, so I'm back here and I'm gonna try to make my camera look a little bit more friendly. So anyways, so I have some pencil crayons here and some Posca markers. Yeah, to try to I'm gonna try to put some faces or some googly eyes on my camera to pump up that friendliness vibe to hopefully make me a little bit less nervous. And I also have this bristle board of some kind here. I don't know where it's from, but I have it. It's a stiffer, more thicker paper so that I can reuse my eyes. So I'm gonna get started. I'm sorry my head's a little cut off. Yeah, that's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Okay, so first off, I drew these eyes, which I thought would be cute, but then I'm like, if I'm looking at it, it does look kind of judging. So we'll see. We'll see what the verdict is. I'm gonna try these out. Okay, so I'm ready to see what the verdict is for putting eyes on my camera and trying to make it more friendly. Alright. Okay, can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah. So that's what the first one looks like. I think it's kind of cute actually. I was worried that it'll just look really terrifying, but I think it does help take some of the edge off of the camera. No longer as scary. We'll try on some of the other eyes. Came to check out what's happening. Anyways, this video's not about you, dog. So here's a second set of eyes. If you're wondering what the difference is, there's some sparkles in these ones. I think they're cuter. Yeah, I think they're slightly cuter than the last ones. Pretty good, pretty good. All right, next up is these bad boys. I think they're the first eyes I drew, and I was afraid because they do look a little bit judging. But actually I'm not too bad, but the eyes are kind of really wide, so I think I am maybe slightly better nervous energy, but still very, very nervous energy. So these are the next set of eyes. I think looking at this, I feel even more nervous energy. I feel very judged, and I don't know if I can keep looking into these eyes. It feels like I'm taking up someone's time and they have places to be, but no. Okay, it's over. Okay, so this is the next set of eyes. I think not quite as judging as the last ones, but I definitely still feel judged. It's kind of like a lady who's like, I'm not judging you, but you kind of know that they are, and they might talk smack about you later. So I don't think this one makes me any less nervous than before. Okay, so I have some side eyes here. I thought maybe direct eye contact would help me be less nervous. But looking at this, I'm kind of just wanting to always look in the direction of the eyes. So I don't think that these these are the ones. No. You know, I think I went in a different direction with this one. I thought, when I came up with the idea, I thought it was pretty cute. When I started drawing it, I realized that it's kind of creepy. That like, you know, like this giant hole, this giant black hole in front of her head, and she's looking so happy. So I was like, I'm not really sure how this is gonna be, but honestly, you know, if you just skip past the fact that there's a giant hole in front of this girl's face, I think I might prefer this one. I mean, I think this one makes me feel the least nervous out of all of them, because like I don't see the camera much at all. But I guess the problem is that now I can no longer see the recording light, so I may not be able to know if my camera is recording or not, which might mess with some of this, but yeah, maybe it'll help. And even though this illustration is probably a solid like C+, the plus is for the effort, it's still like, you know, it's all right. It makes me feel more comfortable in front of the camera. So I think I'll try using some of these in the next few days, and then I'll, you know, give a judgment call maybe in another video or something. I don't know. All right. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning in on my, you know, dumb acts of trying to be like less nervous in front of the camera. I'll let you guys know like if this turns out or not. I don't know if I have the face one, like the full face one right here. I don't really know if it's helping me. Maybe I'll switch to the other one later. So if you like today's video, please remember to give me a like and let me know if you guys like what you guys do to get rid of some of that nervous energy sometimes. And you know, if you want to see more of this, me trying random things, just hit that subscribe button, and you know, I'll see you guys next time on Illustrating Failure. Bye!